my new iPad. So, real quick news update. Bitcoin obviously doing really good. We're up at $64,888 for 24 hours. That's 3.4%. Ethereum is up 3.7% here, according to CoinGecko. Our top 10: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and again, this thing is being pretty laggy, so bear with me. Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Tron, and then coming in at 11 to 20, we got Tonguecoin, we got Cardano, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Wrapped Bitcoin, which I don't care about, Wealth, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Sui, and then notable mentions for 21 and 22, Polkadot and Uniswap. So really great looking market. We can see that we're up to a little bit, 2.36 trillion. It's about a 1.9% change in the last hour. And the Bitcoin dominance is at about 53.3%, which is up 13%. So really some encouraging news there. The investing.com has an interesting chart here. If it will pull up, it was up. This is the altcoin technical analysis. Basically, I had this set for the daily a minute ago. It doesn't change much, but if you see there, it says neutral for technical indicators. The summary is neutral, so there's either a strong sell, a sell, or neutral. But the moving average is saying at a buy, not a heavy buy, but a kind of a little lower to middle, less than middle range buy. So not investing advice, of course, but something to look at in your decisions. Some altcoins are popping, so the ones that still have room for growth, that are good projects that you have confidence in, this might be the time to get into them. If the market continues to go up, we could see these altcoins pop. The Bitcoin price prediction, which is at Coin Codex, CODEX, is up a little bit. You can see here we're at the 5-day prediction, 75,743. The 1-month prediction for Bitcoin is 89,885. But we're going to talk about some news that indicates that we might be looking at a lot of resistance around $70,000 for Bitcoin. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's look at the global liquidity. Really about the same. There has been a lot of institutional money buying, but it's reducing the supply of Bitcoin because they keep pulling it off the exchanges. But of course, it's the retail buyers that are pushing the price ultimately, because the over-the-counter buyers, or behind the counter is what I'd call it, they are playing with the market in such a way that they don't cause the price to go up, and they wait for us to hammer the market. CoinDesk has a lot of articles. They want you to sign up. There's a lot of paywalls on these nowadays, but to just look at some of the headlines, we can see Bitcoin does begin the week at a high above 64K, and major markets are playing the game with us so far. I expect it to go sideways, but for a while, or dip back down to the 62 for a while and retest 64. But perhaps we could see the squeeze from the M2 money supply push us up farther. It just depends on how many people are playing with the market, shorting and longing and all of that good stuff. Altcoin selling pressure looms at 50 million, and this is because a lot of tokens are scheduled to unlock. So check your tokens, make sure those are not ones that could break down if that's something that concerns you. Trump administration, they did make some interesting. It's not here, but they said they were looking at changing the tax code so there's not a double taxation for people who live out of the country, which might be of interest to some cryptocurrency investors who are in other countries to get lower taxes, or maybe they're in lower countries and they're being double taxed, like in France. So let's see if we can find out about that. Here it is. Crypto chart scan. BTC's trend line breaks out, exposes $70,000 hurdle, and ETH holds 200-day average. So we see that we are seeing some new highs, lately. Not all-time highs, but higher highs than we've had in the last month. And the there is going to be pressure on 70,000 because of people who are going to sell and short the market. And I was going to pull up some charts for you, but it doesn't look like they're really pulling up. Let's see. We can look at the past of Bitcoin and possibly pull a chart out ourselves if the chart is going to be kind to us. In the meantime, I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing. And supporting the channel. Here is some trending cryptocurrencies if you're interested. The largest gainers or look like they're meme coins. Goatsus, Maximus, stupid, right? Troll and Dog and Me. I mean, here's some stupid coins, but they're total gambling. Let's see if we can pull up a Bitcoin chart. Also, if you're looking at being safe with your Bitcoin, you don't want to lose your Bitcoin. There's lots of people that are stealing Bitcoin. I have updated my Bitcoin being safe with Bitcoin and crypto cheat sheet, and I will email that to you for free. All you have to do is email me at mountaincrypto@gmail.com, and I will send that to you. I was working on it last night. I've got maybe a little bit of editing and grammar corrections to make. I was updating it with some new information. Believe it or not, there's a lot of things that can help you lose your Bitcoin very quickly, and some of them are just as simple as plugging in your phone to use a public charger. There's hackers out there who can even put in the cord, a charging cord. They can put in basically a way that they can hack your phone and monitor every single keystroke you have. That's how they would get into your exchanges or your wallet. If they could hack into your wallet, not good. They can see what sites you're on, so they know, oh wow, they keystroked into a wallet or a Coinbase account. Oh, here's the other keystrokes. That's probably what they, where they're putting the money. Okay, so I couldn't pull up the one website, but I can pull up this one. If you look at the $70,000 line there, that is a real point of resistance. So this is nothing new. We haven't tested it in a long time. So I would expect that there's going to be a lot of testing right about the $70,000 line. So with that, I will leave you and hope you have a great day, and I'm out.